There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit.
आंखों में पानी, सीने में जलन, गले में खराश, हवा में है ये कैसा जहर.
Next, you'd think I'd say धूम्रपान करना वर्जित है, but नहीं. This is not a no smoking ad. We are back to that time of the year. दिल्ली की हवा अब आपके मनपसंद एंकर्स के प्राइम टाइम शो से भी ज्यादा जहरीली हो चुकी है. And that's saying something. Actually, बात सिर्फ दिल्ली की नहीं है, बात पूरे देश की है. और जब बात देश की आई तो हम सीधा आज तक ऑन करते हैं और गौरव सावंत देखने लगते हैं, क्योंकि देश की परवाह सबसे ज्यादा इनको है. He always puts India first.
सलमान खुर्शीद के हिंदुत्व पर की आग की हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं.
It's okay, Mr. टॉयगन सावंत. खान हो या खुर्शीद, पॉइंट तो बस एक ही है, डिस्ट्रैक्ट एंड डिफ्लेक्ट फ्रॉम रियल इश्यूज. चैनल चेंज. लेट्स वॉच सम पोल्यूशन की न्यूज ऑन अमीश की सबसे बड़ी बहस.
शाहीन बाग में आ जाना था, तुम्हारा इलाज कर देते.
ये क्या कर रहे हो? ये क्या कर रहे हो? बदतमीजी. शोएब भाई नहीं, शोएब भाई ये बदतमीजी है. ये
अरे तुम्हारी इतनी औकात थी.
शोएब भाई ये बदतमीजी है.
गुल्लू ऑब्वियसली गॉट वेरी अपसेट.
इतने बड़े शो में आकर ये काम करे जूता नीचे रखो अपने पहले.
इतना बड़ा शो? कितना बड़ा शो अमीश जी? इतना बड़ा?
नो माय डियर फ्रेंड, मैं तुम्हें भड़वा कहता हूँ, दलाल कहता हूँ, और बताओ.
ब्लेस पूर मिस्टर राजीव त्यागी सोल. आगे जाके मामला और संगीन हो गया.
आखिर इतने बड़े बड़े चैनल में जैसे बच्चे देखते हैं, हमारे घर की माएं देखती हैं, हमारी बहनें देखती हैं.
करेक्ट. दिस डिजर्व्स अ नविका बीजी स्कोर, डजंट इट?
हम क्या संस्कार सिखाएंगे लोगों को? मुझे माफ करिएगा अमीश भाई, इस प्रकार के अनपढ़ जाहिल लोगों को अगर टीवी में बुला करके हम इनका महिमा मंडन करेंगे तो भविष्य इस देश का ठीक नहीं है.
For this man to hold forth on संस्कार and say कि हमारी माँ बेटियां क्या देख रही हैं. He has done more to reduce the value of TV news debates than Modi has done to the 1,000 rupee note. If on a show this man can come and give us bhashan, then I really think it's time for us to wrap up and exit. Not so fast. Next channel.
फलों पर थूक रहे हैं, सब्जियों में थूक रहे हैं, ब्रेड पर थूक रहे हैं, पानी में थूक रहे हैं, खाने में थूक रहे हैं, नान में थूक रहे हैं, रोटी में थूक रहे हैं, बिरयानी में थूक रहे हैं. ये थूक जिहाद है क्या?
अमन का शो देख के दिल्ली की जहरीली हवा भी चोक हो जाएगी. I never thought it'll get this low, and trust me, I have very low expectations. Just listen to the pure bile that was allowed to air on this show.
सब्जी में थूकने का, फल पे थूकने का वीडियो आ चुका है
जी.
ये भी तो हो सकता है कि दाल का रंग पीला होता है, सब्जी का रंग पीला होता है, उसमें हो सकता है यूरिन भी, पेशाब भी कर रहे हो.
एक्चुअली हमें लगा था कि येलो कलर हल्दी से आता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट you've grown up eating or drinking. By the way, this guy is a former Delhi BJP spokesperson, Ashwini Upadhyay. He was arrested in the case of hateful sloganeering at Jantar Mantar. Just take a look at the actions of some of his supporters who had come to Jantar Mantar after his call to action.
काटे जाएंगे.
अमन यार, अश्विनी को क्यों? तुम सीधा इनको ले आते अपने शो में, तुम्हारी वेवलेंथ मिलती इससे काफी. That's not all. अमन has more to say.
एक एक्टर है, बहुत बड़े एक्टर, कह रहे हैं मैं जिस हीरोइन के हाथ में थूकता हूँ वो नंबर 1 हो जाती है. यहाँ लोग खाना में थूक रहे हैं, वो हाथ में थूक रहे हैं.
कौन है ये एक्टर? हमने थोड़ी गूगलिंग करी तो पता चला अमन इज रेफरिंग टू आमिर खान्स प्रैक्टिकल जोक, which is lame and probably appropriate for a 12-year-old, but it's a joke nonetheless.
Why do I spit on my heroine's hands? It's very important to know that. जिस हीरोइन के हाथ पे मैंने थूका है वो नंबर 1 हो गई है.
अमन चोपड़ा ने इस लाइट हार्टेड बैंटर को थूक जिहाद का पार्ट बना दिया, whatever that means. That's not all. पूरे शो के दौरान अमन ने वीडियोस दिखाए ऑफ alleged थूक जिहाद. अपने व्यूअर्स को ये नहीं बताया कि ये वीडियो कहाँ से आए, क्यों आए, इन वीडियोस का सोर्स क्या है, इन वीडियोस को वेरीफाई किया गया है या नहीं. और तो और जो वीडियोस अमन ने दिखाए उनमें से 2 वीडियोस news18.com मतलब उनकी खुद की ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने फेक बताए. वाह वाह वाह, मतलब वेबसाइट फेक न्यूज चेक करे और टीवी चैनल वही फेक वीडियोस फैलाए. सीमलेस इंटीग्रेशन. We actually have no hope from News 18 India because it's not like Z News में अमन ने बड़ी अच्छी रिपोर्टिंग के झंडे गाड़े थे. His only claim to fame was his hate-laced, often misinformation spouting shows that got him a show on News 18 India as well. क्योंकि यही तो बिकता है और इसी से तो एड मनी आता है.
देश नहीं झुकने देंगे. Co-powered by Lux Inferno, Campus Shoes, Sparks OP Jessic and co-presented by MDH Kesar and of course Patanjali.
MDH, we could do without such masala in our news. क्या यही है तुम्हारा असली इंडिया? It's important to call out these advertisers who make these shows possible with their ad money and do not even cringe when their logos appear along such shows. Read our stories on newslaundry.com under the title Bloodlust TV, where we call out such hate news advertisers. The race for TRPs and ad money has reduced journalism to what it is today. The only way to change this is to pay to keep news free. You need to take matters in your hands and not leave it to advertisers. By the way, guess who got a follow by PM this week, for which he thanked the PM profusely? Now we know what is rewarded and what is punished in this country. Back from Aman Zahir to the Zahir in the air. The Supreme Court this week said that debates in TV news are creating more pollution than everybody. हम तो ये कब से कह रहे हैं?
आदि शंकराचार्य के सामने भावुक हुए मोदी। यूपी चुनाव में जिन्ना वायरस, वानखेड़े पर जाल, ड्रग्स केस का जंजाल, शाहरुख की सीक्रेट मीटिंग, रफेल रिश्वत का खेल, अजान नींद खराब करती है, सनातन धर्म को बदनाम करने की साजिश, अब श्री राम का अपमान, यूपी में चुनाव, हिंदुत्व वाला दाव, जिन्ना वाले जाम पर सियासी घमासान, हिंदुत्व पर वार, मुगलों से प्यार.
Now, it's not that major channels didn't discuss pollution in Delhi. There were even some ground reports across most channels. But when it came to prime-time discussions by some of our worthy news anchors, this issue was ignored outrightly or given painfully little attention. Schools in Delhi have been shut because of air pollution. Doctors are blaming the air for people with perfectly healthy lungs falling sick. Delhi AQI is at levels at which most countries evacuate their citizens. The problem is not just Delhi but many cities in India. You'd think that this crisis situation would lead to some sensible discussions and anchors asking tough questions from chief ministers and the central government. And we would see some tough discussions, good discussions with experts instead of the same old BJP versus AAP. Tough luck. Finally, on Wednesday, we got to hear those 3 deadly magical letters from Amish's mouth. Almost.
AQI 9000 है.
अमीश से AQI बोला भी नहीं जा रहा है क्योंकि पहली बार बोल रहे हैं डिबेट्स पे. Alarming pollution in much of North India was completely ignored by some of our top anchors on their debates, but they had time for a stand-up comic who performed thousands of miles away. Veer Das's 10-minute video got everyone up in arms, and Arnab had some very serious questions to ask on his debate.
Veer Das, who wrote these lines for you?
Arnab, I don't know who wrote these lines, but whoever wrote them at least got your scriptwriters to talk about pollution, even if it was to mock Veer Das.
Any half-literate can go to a foreign country and say that in India we gang rape women at night, we are an anti-women, anti-army country where the air is totally polluted, where we can't breathe, where we're all dying.
Country where the air is totally polluted, where we can't breathe, where we're all dying.
Why does his tone suggest that he doesn't really believe this to be true? Arnab, we are in fact dying as we breathe this air, irrespective of what the stupid, silly Veer Das has to say.
Stupid comments. Really stupid comments. Stupid and vicious comments. It's stupid. It's just so foolish, so daft. It is stupid. It's also vicious. But you know what the real stupidity is, ladies and gentlemen? The real stupidity. Any fool can go. Stand on a foreign stage and utter these stupidities. Some idiot, some lowlife may find abusing India funny.
In this country, where a 23-year-old lays down his life unquestioningly at the border for the country.
Arnab yaar, why do you constantly feel the need to shoot from our soldiers' shoulders? You can't criticize Veer Das without bringing soldiers in, you know that, right? What's even better is that you could have not debated this stupid, silly, not funny act and spent your 40 minutes on something else, like the air we breathe that is so poisonous. Over at times now, for some good old monkey balancing and false equivalences, RSS and Navika ने वीर के मुद्दे पे कंगना को भी डाल दिया.
The question here is, is there a line that has to be drawn? Why those who find Veer Das correct find Kangana so wrong?
Who finds Kangana wrong?
Kangana Ranaut and Veer Das. One is being hounded by the so-called conscience keepers of civil rights for her commentary on India's freedom struggle made at the Times Now summit.
Who hounded Kangana for her views?
It is particularly satisfying to see left liberals making fools of themselves.
Really? Are left liberals looking like fools here?
The same so-called left liberals drawn from the Congress have such differing reactions to the two. While on the one hand, Congress wants Kangana jailed, the same party leaps to shield Veer Das.
Left liberals, Congressies को छोड़ो, Times Now की बात करते हैं. Your channel RSS and Navika issued a tweet last week saying Kangana's comments are an insult to millions of freedom fighters. Your channel said that no true Indian can support what she says, and now you guys are basically coming to her defense. यार RSS, Navika and Times Now पहले आपस में डिस्कस कर लो कि स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है, या डिसाइड कर चुके हो. To hunt with the hounds and run with the hare. Is that your strategy? The beauty of it all is that Times Now kept asking about Congress's hypocrisy.
Manasvi Thapar is acknowledging that there are hypocrites in his own political party, which is good.
I am saying hypocrisy is there everywhere. It suits the
So it's
BJP,
also there in the Congress, right? Manasvi Thapar is there in the Congress, right?
You will outrage about Kangana, ask for her Padma Shri back, but you will not say one word about Veer Das. Why that difference, Gunika?
Left lobby shields Veer but hounds Kangana. This hypocrisy is a joke.
Digvijay Singh says, excellent satire, two Indias, one who robs and other which gets robbed. So is he a hypocrite?
The question is about the hypocrisy, the different yardsticks.
ए टीवी न्यूज के मनुष्य और मनुष्या, कबीर जी कह गए हैं, बुरा जो देखन मैं चला बुरा न मिले कोई, जो मन खोजा अपना तो मुझसे बुरा हिपोक्रिट ना कोई. मतलब अगर हिपोक्रेसी की सीमा होती है तो टाइम्स नाउ सीमा के उस पार झंडा गाड़ के खड़ा हुआ है. Now it's a no-brainer that neither Kangana nor Veer should be in jail for their utterances. That's a really basic thing to say. But neither Kangana nor Veer are quite on the same boat. Kangana's unhinged utterances are mostly just her way of climbing up the socio-political ladder with help from channels like Times Now. Veer Das, on the other hand, is a professional comic. You may find him unfunny, unremarkable, mediocre, but there's a difference between someone trying to do their job to the best of their abilities and someone just joblessly uttering crap. And it's a false equivalence to say that a donkey braying in a studio is the same as a musical performance. Neither should the donkey nor the performer be in jail because you don't like their music, but no one will see them as equals except for our worthies. This whole monkey balancing was not just done by Times Now. Bher Chal mein, how can gold standard be left behind?
अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी का फायदा उठाया जा रहा है.
Is there too much freedom of speech? Completely normal for news organizations whose very existence and job hinges on freedom of speech to ask if there's too much of it in our country. You know, gold standard. All said and done, nothing could quite prepare us for Sudhir's 9 p.m. show. Quite literally a show.
मैं ऐसे भारत से आता हूं जहां छोटे छोटे मस्खरे छोटे से फायदे के लिए अपने देश को बेच सकते हैं.
Trust Sudhir to make it all about himself. Because stand-up is the trend of this week, how can we stay behind? I am going to stand up too. मैं एक ऐसे देश से आती हूं जहां सुधीर जर्नलिस्ट है. बस इतना ही था.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some grand news.
Mitro, unfortunately, this episode of TV Nuisance was recorded and shot before Modi ji's grand announcement.
आज गुरु नानक देव जी का पवित्र प्रकाश पर्व है। ये समय किसी को भी दोष देने का नहीं है। आज मैं आपको, पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है।
क्या मोदी जी, आपने अपने न्यूज एंकर्स को कितने बड़े धर्म संकट में डाल दिया।
शायद हमारी तपस्या में ही कोई कमी रही होगी।
तो थोड़ी तपस्या और करनी थी, वापस क्यों ले लिया?
आप 1 साल से बैठे हैं ना, तो हमें भी तो दर्द है। अब जो आपने मनवाना था वो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पहले ही दे दिया।
वर्ष 1975 में एक फिल्म आई थी जिसका नाम था दीवार, और उस फिल्म का एक बड़ा मशहूर डायलॉग था, आपने भी सुना होगा, आज खुश तो बहुत होगे तुम। हमारे देश में भी एक वर्ग ऐसा है जो आज खुश तो बहुत होगा।
The message is nation first. Farm laws can wait. But exposing those and isolating those who use the farm laws to try and tear our country apart cannot.
बिल वापस लिया, लेकिन देश बचा लिया। खुद हार गए, लेकिन देश को जिता दिया। देश ना झुके, इसलिए खुद झुके। देश को राजनीति और राष्ट्रनीति का फर्क समझा दिया मोदी ने, राजधर्म निभा दिया।
इस बार चुनाव लड़ेंगे क्या?
ना हम नहीं लड़ते चुनाव, आप लड़ देना चुनाव। चुनाव तो सारे जो एंकर है ना ये लड़ेंगे चुनाव सारे।
अच्छा,
जो बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता बन गए हो ये लड़ेंगे। सरकार बात नहीं कर रही, एंकर सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन करे।
That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We will be back next week for a full lowdown on all the halchal that happened on Friday on the farm laws and the various U-turns in our new studios. Watch NL Tippani, and we'll be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much guys for watching this episode. If you liked it, please don't forget to like it. Subscribe to newslaundry.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this episode with everyone, and please log on to newslaundry.com and subscribe to us as a website also, not just the YouTube channel. If you guys want your Karare Chane mugs, they are now available on our NL store. So please go buy them. Limited editions. Get your hands on them quickly. Also, please support our NL Sena project. We're going to be making a documentary on the Hathras case that occurred last year. This is going to take time, and this also needs some funds. So please subscribe to NL Sena, fund our NL Sena. If you put in money into the NL Sena project and power our NL Sena project, you will get merchandise free with it, and you'll also get News Laundry subscriptions with it for free. So do it.